A weather system originating in the Gulf states is extending its reach towards Atlantic Canada, bringing with it the continued risk of thunderstorms and unsettled conditions across the region. The system, which has been gradually moving northeastward over the past few days, is expected to linger over Atlantic Canada through the weekend. This prolonged presence increases the likelihood of scattered showers and thunderstorms across various parts of the region. Meteorologists are advising residents to stay updated with local forecasts and be prepared for sudden changes in weather conditions. In Nova Scotia, particularly along the Atlantic coast, there is a heightened risk of thunderstorm development as the system interacts with local atmospheric conditions. Areas such as Halifax and Sydney may experience periods of heavy rainfall accompanied by thunder and lightning. Residents are urged to exercise caution, especially if engaging in outdoor activities, as localized flooding in low-lying areas cannot be ruled out. New Brunswick and Prince Edward Island are also within the system's trajectory, with forecasters predicting intermittent showers and thunderstorms throughout the weekend. The influx of moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, combined with atmospheric instability, contributes to the potential for thunderstorm formation. Residents in these provinces should monitor weather updates and be prepared for brief but intense downpours, gusty winds, and lightning strikes. In Newfoundland and Labrador, although not directly in the path of the main weather system, some areas may still experience the peripheral effects such as increased cloud cover and isolated thunderstorm activity. Coastal regions, including St. John's and Corner Brook, could see occasional showers with embedded thunderstorms as the system's outer bands brush past the province. Across Atlantic Canada, emergency management officials are advising the public to have emergency kits prepared and to stay informed about changing weather conditions. It is crucial to have a plan in place for severe weather events, including knowing where to seek shelter if thunderstorms approach. As the weather system progresses further northeastward, meteorologists will continue to provide updates on its intensity and expected impacts. Residents are encouraged to follow local weather forecasts closely and to take necessary precautions to ensure their safety and well-being.